Shipor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Joint Action Committee jong ka skol ba Nehu menta ka sngi ka khan ri trik nai wieng arajar at pulai kalalet bania kandu yo Vice Chancellor ka te ka skol ba. Hadian ka jingbam yo jubab ka Biang no VC Professor PS Shukla la kattu ka ni sngi halor ki jingdawa jong pinahikai bat ki khna puli ka skol ba Nehu kumta kilami shakmat banet bani kran batu. Ka kinhun Nehu ta Nehu su bat Nehun sa Klas Sdang ka Jingïakhih da ka basange Treikam Naduh ka khatlai trek mentahi ubenai nai wieng hadu mentah sngi kom shi benta ban peni ke jing persha yo VC ke Nehu namar ke jing skap menti ke jong ui ki mat jing dawa ki bakan top anu dawa weng kam no mar yo technical officer ke skol ba mat ki ki jing dawa hadian blada ban yakran bo VC na kliang chairman ke GAC u ba lakon kema habakran miklat patai khubor lai tho bakani ke jing kando baru VC ka long ba seiso bat kila Shim ya karai ban Sospon shwa Shipor ke Jingïakhih bat komta Klas juga kena kan Sdang Biang, kino hikai ru kan Sdang hikai Biang, bat kinong trei ru kin wan trei Biang no Naduh Lashai kesngi kum baju long.
I mean, I cannot say sorry because meeting went on, it just got over. But so we have to really, we had a thread discussion. So we'll come one by one. But I think this discussion has been fruitful. It was long pending because we wanted a solution to all our pending or charter of demands. Happy to say that I think this meeting has been successful. And why I say so? Probably now, without going into the detail, I'll come to the first point, which was the removal of this person whom we have. I'm tired of taking his name now, so let's not take his name. Since that person is out for last more than 15 days, his service is not required in Nehu anymore. And VC will initiate necessary action to end the process and put a full stop. That is one. Now, coming to the immediate appointment of the statutory officers in there, already between 20th to 25th is the date, 22nd November is the date that VC has, which of course came in the press. He said the appointments of these will be done, which means the selection committee is going to sit on these days, which is also okay because that was also our immediate demand. The third, of course, the condition of our university health center. He apprised us that all necessary steps has been taken to procure the medicines through the normal road. And then the appointment of these technicians who have to conduct this test because we don't have people there will be initiated immediately. And if necessary, even on contractual basis, so that our routine blood sugar and uric acid and other lab tests can be done. So that is positive. Coming to the relieving of technical and teaching and technical staff from ministerial duty, I think we have made it very clear that academic is the priority, and he agreed. I mean, what is nice is he agreed that academic is the priority. So if anybody feels that there is it's hampering your job of teaching by being here, you can very humbly write to the Vice Chancellor. You will be relieved without any issue because, like I said, we can't force our member because you are appointed as a teacher. If you think you are capable of doing teaching job as well as running administration here, with one salary, if you can do two jobs, I think God bless them. I mean, that is how I would look at it. But it was very clear that nobody will be forced to do this duty. And very soon, we are told that the advertisement for AR and DR is also going. So naturally, the moment you have AR, DR appointed, naturally, their service anyway will not be required. But there is no compulsion whatsoever for them to continue hampering their academic activity, which means you are free to move out, concentrate on your teaching, research, whatever you want, if you feel that being in the administrative building is hampering your day-to-day work. Coming to the upload of the Nehu Act statutes and ordinance, we are told that it has been shifted from a normal position to someone else. But it is there. It's there, and some update is going on, which is perfectly okay because some ordinances are redundant, we all know. But the Nehu Act statutes are permanent, so there are no change there. But it is available and we confirm it's inside. The holding of regular convocation has also been addressed very seriously, and we have impressed upon that there should be a calendar. It should be a gala event for the university like we used to have earlier. For this time, indeed, he is waiting for the President of India's approval, which is neither received as neither the consent was given nor the rejection was given. So naturally, when you have written to the President of India, you have to wait for the response from the Office of the President of India. So pending that acceptance or rejection or the consent from the visitor's office, that this year's convocation will depend on that. But we made it a point that from next time, because this, according to, of course, it also makes sense, this is the 50th year of our foundation. So he said that we wanted the President of India, which is perfectly okay for this year. But we said it should not be for all times to come, because if we can get some Nobel laureates, some really great academicians, or even governor, we should not postpone our convocation. It should be a calendar, and I think that has been agreed upon.
Lagi nomor la saus ni mata sini mana Naduh sini kau milai Jingïakhih mata di sini Thursday nomor la saus ni iba ka Klas klamlong ki test klamlong ki nomor office ru kami atrai letang itu di casual ki badan milai iba kala kata handai ka jing thu jongi ni deben poi hisakane ka thong bangin ya rai kot sekan gini ki jing dawa jongi deben yo ka jing dawa jongi ta habang ila semua ko bangila yo ka jing dawa jongi ni nim ong bangin weng ngatrai nga jing seng jongi ka don ne usu Nehu sa Nehu ta nimwe nga Jingïakhih ni chu suspend ka ni chu suspend tang Shipor nomor baki let private office kini badan tre office pen clear ki file ni ki mui no hikai nya pendap ka course nya pendap ka test nama shitrik lawan exam lana ni smo don kam ha ko no por bangi kami yo ka jingkular yangi ka kam poi urlong ni la su thu bangi hawan private ni sa pakat ben kum ka jak kam ja ka jak ka bangi la rai kut bet ba kat badon ka kat bad Treikam badang don hi ni bisi le second ka jak jongi kan don bet nawa ni don ngintip hadin habot kan jayo sek saki ki violations le ne ki jingpun khanya ka an Nehu le ne ka an UGC le ne ki an thungkam thungjam kan sawan hadin ngintip taka daw nin po bet ba kane kan long bet bet kum ka wai ka kum ka minia long bet nor na banginia suthu ba uni bisi dangi ladangim ni bakla ban phai no sine satai let's say kalaban wal yang saci sen kum kini gijing jabang im ko ngila dak Lashai ba kini gijing jadi sha kim don kam ko university ta ni akran ne gijing suthu given poi bet bahata ka thong ba ke bamlong ke balong ka ya kata ngila ni nomor fi ka shong ha ka tu ka meeting me deba shisha ka ta ka meeting ka feel shisha ba don jing yo jing kular na i ha ko no ka mat pangila bo tharai nila wan de pumwe ko pangiwan saban ai napa ngilayo ke jingkula ngatra i yoba mentang ngimtip yoba hadir mo ya kata ngimtip ada yoba mentang ni susu ba ka ni padon kammen dawa ya kata pat poi kata ka por benin dawa lese ngimtip kematkan jayu ngimtip
kalian no ada you bisi la kulan daun Treikam
jengkor ke
janbor apa halor kata ni suspend ni kan agitation suspend kemudian nimla amantif nangis kemana kita pun di dawan lagi pada long haru kata serius kita Shipor kan kita baru ikut dan kedawan itu suspend kalau orang-orang ini tinggi penjual nak yang association dan nak yang joint action committee halor ita jadi keluar dulu you take immediate action ini saya suspend dengan education